Hello friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So in this video our topic is about computer software. Definition. Ware means thing, so anything that is made of soft thing that cannot be touched. In computer language, software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Examples: BIOS, Windows, Android, Chrome, etc. Types of software: system software, application software. System software. System software is software designed to operate and control the hardware and to provide a platform for running application software. Examples: BIOS, Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix variants, Apple, Mac OS X, device drivers, Android, etc. Types of system software: operating system device drivers, firmware, BIOS and UEFI programming language translator utilities. Operating system. An operating system is system software that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, it manages all of computer hardware components and software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Examples: Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix variants, Apple, Mac OS X, Android, etc. Device drivers. Device drivers are tiny programs that enable a computer to communicate with its hardware devices, such as printers, scanners, and keyboards. Without device drivers, the hardware you connect to your computer will not be working properly. For example, without device drivers, your printer will not work properly. Device manufacturers provide most device drivers, but Microsoft also provides some generic ones. Firmware. Firmware is a type of software that is embedded in a hardware device. It controls the device and performs its essential functions. Firmware is usually stored in read-only memory, ROM, which means it cannot be modified or deleted. However, some devices have firmware that can be updated. Firmware updates can be downloaded from the manufacturer's website or installed from a CD or USB drive. BIOS and UEFI. BIOS, Basic Input, Output System, is a firmware code that is executed when a computer is powered on. It performs a power-on self-test, post, and initializes the computer before loading the operating system. The BIOS is stored in a ROM, read-only memory, chip on the motherboard. UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, is a newer type of firmware that offers more features than BIOS. UEFI is designed to be platform independent and can be used with a variety of operating systems. UEFI also supports a larger boot volume than BIOS and can boot from devices with a 2 TB or more capacity. Programming language translator. These are the intermediate system software through which programmers convert the high-level language programming code to machine-level language code. Because computer understand only machine-level language code, machine code consists of a series of zeros and ones that represent specific instructions that the computer's central processing unit, CPU, can understand and execute. Assembler, interpreter, and compiler are the popular language translators. They are usually designed by the computer manufacturer and are delivered inbuilt with the system. Utilities. System software and application software interact through utility software. A third-party product called utility software is created to lessen maintenance problems and find computer system defects. It is included with your computer's operating system. Listed below are some particular attributes of utility software. Users benefit from protection from threats and infections. WinRAR and WinZip are programs that aid in reducing disk size. It assists with disk partitioning and functions as a Windows disk management service. It makes it easier for users to back up old data and improves system security. It operates as a disk defragmenter to organize the dispersed files on the drive. It aids in the recovery of lost data. Application software. Application software is a set of one or more programs designed to carry out operations for a specific application. It is developed to help the user to perform specific tasks. It cannot run on itself but is dependent on system software to execute. Examples: MS Office, C, C++, Media Player, etc. Types of application software: general purpose application software, specific purpose application software, general purpose application software. General purpose application software is a type of application software that can be used for a variety of tasks. It is not limited to one particular function. Examples: Chrome, MS Office, VLC Player, etc. Specific purpose application software. Specific purpose application software is a type of application software which created to execute one specific task. Examples: banking, traffic signal control, earthquake, measurement, monitoring software, etc. Thanks for watching the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon for notifications of incoming videos. Thank you.